What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get right into this video. We got something nice today for the RSX. It's something that I have never gotten before, and I'm excited. I came up on the Facebook Marketplace today. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. So we'll just get right into it. We're gonna show you the wheels. All right, guys, we're just gonna reveal them. You guys ready? Here they are. So I just went with the stock wheels for the RSX. You guys know everybody has these rims for the RSX. Came across these yesterday and I texted the guy, pick them up tomorrow, and here we are. So we're gonna actually install these today. So the size I went with is 17 by 9 plus 35. It's like a track stance. Luckily these already come with some nice tires. You know, have some good grip. We actually have what is this, a creeper that my girl got me for Father's Day. We're gonna use this today so we don't hurt our back. So I'm gonna build this real quick and then we'll start like jacking up the car. So we're also gonna be adjusting the height. We're gonna have to raise it up, and so it's not gonna be, so it doesn't rub on the fender, and then we'll go on from there. Ever since I owned the car, I think like the first year I got these chrome wheels, and we haven't changed them since. So this is how it sits right now with the stocks. I believe these are 16 in diameter and those are 17s. So we'll see the difference. We're actually gonna have to raise up the car just a little bit. So, man, you can just tell the difference already. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. It's not even on the ground yet, and fuck, it just looks so good. Okay, so we're gonna lower it. We're gonna take it off the jack stand and the jack, and we're gonna see how it sits. Oh, and then we'll adjust the ride height. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so we probably have to lift it up on the back. It is hitting the quarter panel. The fronts look actually just fine. It's not rubbing. I don't have the fender liner, so we should be good from the top. Wow, man, that's crazy. So how I was explaining to my girlfriend, we have to adjust the ride height so that way it doesn't hit, since the fenders aren't rolled. Don't want it to hit the quarter panel and then it bends out, messes up the paint. Even though the paint's not the best quality. We just don't want to mess anything up until we roll the fenders. So this is how you adjust the ride height. I actually haven't touched these since I installed these years ago. You know, with the coilover tools, you just tighten it. You gotta loosen it and then tighten this so it could lift up more. And if you want to lower it, you gotta bottom this out, and that's exactly where it was at. It was all the way down. We're just gonna tighten this and put the wheel back on, and I think we're gonna be done with this side now. And you just tighten these together like that. In order to do the same thing on the other side, what I like to do is count the threads that are right here, or you could just measure it with the measuring tape. All right guys, so this is the lowest I could do since the fenders aren't rolled. I didn't have to adjust the front, just the back, because it was in the quarter panel, but this is how it sits down. I'm just able to put my fingers in there, just don't want to mess anything up for now. All right, so we got started on the back. We got the back wheel off. Fronts look good, and it looks like the back doesn't need any adjustments either. So I counted the threads on this side, and it actually has 11 instead of 8, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing on that side just to be safe, because right now when I moved the car, I had to move the car a little bit off the curb so I could make some room here. It actually rubbed on the other side as I was moving it, so I had to lift up the other side and go to 11 threads and just call it a day. This is the final result. All the ride height has been adjusted. I feel like the back is a little bit higher just because I didn't want to rub. The front's gonna sit a little lower. It does clear, it doesn't hit the fender, no fender liner. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I totally forgot to do an outro. I was just so excited with the car. Now that I'm going back to the film, the car was really dusty and it's just been sitting. I should have washed it for these little clips, but it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. More parts coming soon for the RSX. Let's keep these videos going. Catch you guys in the next one later.